Oh my, you look tired, my dear. How's work going?
Oh, Grandma, I'm fine. Wait, no, actually, I'm not fine. It's tough, really tough. I'm feeling so stressed.
Oh no, what happened? You know you can always tell Grandma everything.
Well, I had to present in a huge meeting today. My boss was there.
A big meeting, huh? That must have been exciting. How did it go?
Not as well as I hoped. I messed up a few times.
Oh dear, don't worry, my dear. Everyone makes mistakes. What went wrong?
I couldn't remember some parts of the presentation. My mind went blank.
Ah, sweetie, that happens to the best of us. It's okay. Just take a deep breath next time. What else?
As I stood on the stage, I felt like everyone was watching me, waiting for me to mess up.
Oh my, that must have been uncomfortable. I can imagine.
Yeah, I felt like they were all judging me. It was so embarrassing.
I know that feeling, but darling, you're much stronger than you think. Don't let anyone's gaze stop you. Anything else?
And at the end of the meeting, my boss gave me more work, more meetings.
Oh dear.
Exactly. I feel like I'm always working and never getting a break.
Well, my dear, it's normal to feel that way in the beginning, but remember, you're learning. Keep going.
I just wish I could impress them and get a promotion soon.
You will, my boy. You know, the fact that your boss wants you to do more means that they have high hopes for you.
You really think so?
Of course, patience is key. Every day is a step closer to your goal.
I guess you're right, Grandma. I'll try harder.
That's my boy. And remember, don't let stress get to you. Have some fun, too. You are going to work, not getting trapped forever.
You are right. Maybe I'll take a break this weekend.
Good idea. A little rest never hurt anyone. You'll come back stronger.
Thanks, Grandma. You always know how to make me feel better.
Of course, my boy. You're my pride and joy. Now, let's have some tea and relax.
Yes, please. A cup of Grandma's tea sounds perfect right now.
All right, I'm making pasta for dinner tonight. Can you lay the table for me?
Sister, I've been thinking. Can we order pizza?
Pizza? Oh, no. My pasta is so much better than any pizza place. I got the fresh ingredients, you know.
But the pizza from that place is so good. You can't beat it. Their crust is amazing.
Come on. You know homemade pasta is healthier and tastier. Plus, you get to choose the sauce. What do you think, huh?
Yeah. But pizza, it's just my perfect comfort food.
Imagine the garlic bread with the pasta. Can you smell it in the air?
Oh, garlic bread. Now you've got me thinking. But still, pizza has that cheesy goodness. Does your pasta have it?
I think I'm starting to crave pizza now, too.
Wait, did I just convince my older sister for the first time in my life?
I thought I craved garlic bread with pasta, but cheesy pizza sounds so tempting.
Now that you keep bringing up that garlic bread, I want a piece of it too.
What is going on right now? What do we actually want?
You know what Spider-Man often says?
What does he say?
We can do both.
Oh, no. We cannot afford both meals.
Come on. You make your delicious pasta, and I'll get my pizza. I'll pay.
Then we can share and have the best of both worlds. You're a genius.
You are so kind, sister. I knew there was a reason I liked living with you.
You're lucky I love you. But next time, you have to help with the cooking, okay?
Deal. Pasta and pizza. Here we come.
All right, darling, what are you going to wear to the party? How about this long one?
That is actually my dress from mid-school, Mom. I don't really like long dresses anymore. I want something short and fun, like this one.
Oh no, kids these days. You know, baby girl, long dresses are much more elegant. They'll make you look so graceful.
But Mom, short dresses are trendy and they're much more comfortable. I can move around easily.
Well. A long dress also covers more, so it feels more classy. Don't you want to be a classy lady?
I get that, but a short dress shows off my legs and it's more lively. Plus, I feel like I can dance better in it.
But remember, honey, people will take you more seriously at the party in a long dress. You look older.
I don't want to look older, Mom.
Oh, that's not what I meant, sweetie. I mean more mature.
Come on, Mom. A short dress is fun. I even bought the limited pink version. All the girls are in love with this dress right now.
But darling, you'll be covered up and feel more comfortable in a long dress. You don't want to get too cold, right?
Well, I can always wear tights. And trust me, I'll be way warmer with this than with a long dress.
Okay. I see your point. But if you're wearing a short dress, promise me you'll wear a nice long jacket over it when you go out?
Deal, Mom. I'll wear a jacket, I promise.
All right then. I guess you've convinced me. You can wear the short one, but only with a nice jacket.
Yay! Thanks, Mom. You're the best.
Hey, son, I think it's time to stop playing. You really need to study for your university exams.
Oh, come on, Dad. I'm in a match. I cannot pause now.
You've been playing for hours. Your exam is coming up. You need to study, son.
Don't you know, Dad? Video games are important too. They help me relax.
Relaxing is fine, but you can't play all day. You need to focus on your future.
But Dad, learning about programming and problem solving through games is part of my study. IT is all about strategy and logic, just like in games.
Before you get to that IT something part, you need to pass the exam first, young boy.
I know, but gaming helps me sharpen my mind. Trust me, it's not all just fun.
Oh, I see. Well, if you keep playing all the time, you'll end up with nothing but a rotten brain.
A rotten brain? Haha, no way. I'm learning a lot. You can go enjoy a cup of coffee, Dad. I will be just fine.
Fine. You know, if you love that computer that much, maybe you don't need a new PS5 then.
Wait, what? PS5?
Oh, nothing. I was just thinking that if you pass the exam, I'll get you a PS5.
Hold on, if I pass the exam, you will get me a PS5? Is that a promise?
Yep, that's my plan. But only if you focus on your studies, which you are not actually doing right now.
All right, deal. I'll go study right now.
Wow, so it takes more gaming to get you off gaming, huh?
I will get into that university. You have my word, Dad.
That's what I want to hear. Now go. Go study hard. I'm rooting for you.
Thanks, Dad. You won't regret it. PS5, here I come.
Come on, sis, move aside so that I can clean the living room. Seriously? The room is fine. Why do we need to clean it? It's not even that messy. Can't you see? There are toys over there, papers on the table, and dust on the shelves. It's not fine, trust me. I don't see any dust. You're just exaggerating. No one's coming over, so what's the point? The point is, we live here, and it should be nice and tidy. I'm still living just fine. Now, if we clean up, I'll let you use the new makeup I bought. Wait, really? You're giving me the new makeup? Just use. Don't think I will give it to you.
You know, makeup sounds tempting. Can we try it out first, then clean later?
Young lady, where are we going to sit?
Okay. I realize how messy this room is now. I'll help clean, but only because of the makeup.
That's the spirit. Now, grab that dustpan for me.
Fine. I'm on it.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what do you often do with your family? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.